Hello guys. So the most important question you can ask yourself when analyzing your trade or looking for a trade setup in the market is, why should price go my direction? Why should price go to a certain direction over another? Okay? So one thing you got to understand that actually draws price or moves price is liquidity pools. So liquidity pools are mainly areas on your chart where um when you look at it from the institutional side of things, that is where money is resting. And in a market where we have liquidity providers operating, market makers operating, you need to always ask yourself, where is the liquidity resting? Okay, so like you can see right here on my chart, that blue line delineates um, the liquidity pool, okay, that I use to analyze and look for this trade setup. You see, the beautiful thing about this is that it becomes easy for you to find high probability setup, number one, and you would not fall into the trap of trading into a used trend. Okay, that's how I term it. A used trend simply means that you're seeing a trend. Let's say, for instance, it's a buy trend, but maybe your chart pattern it's giving you higher highs, higher lows, and stuff like that. But their objective, I mean, the people who actually move the market, because it's not our moving averages, it's not support and resistance that move the market. So their objective has already been met. So maybe they're taking the price to a liquidity pool, for instance, or they're looking to fill up an inefficiency, and they've done that already, but you don't know that, because you're not looking at it. And so you're trading your moving averages, you're trading your support and resistance, your breaker techniques, and all the stuff. Okay, and then you fall into the trap of trading the used trend. So this is why you see lots of people being trapped in trades. So they tell you, the moment I took the trade, it went against me and all that stuff. It's because you are looking at your chart the wrong way. You need to find where price is being drawn towards. As price is being delivered, where is it reaching for? So whether you're doing it on a higher time frame, whether you're analyzing on a lower time frame, this is very, very, very essential, guys. All right, so that's it. It's a very short one. Always ask yourself this question whenever you want to go for a trade: why should price go to this direction? Okay, and then you got to understand that there are only two things. Number one is liquidity pools, and number two is inefficiently priced ranges. All right, cheers, and God bless you all.